Joining us in a CNBC exclusive today is SentinelOne CEO, Weingarten. Tomer, welcome. I guess the stock reaction is not unfamiliar given what's happened to other names this week. But the larger point is it doesn't sound like you're changing your expectations for the story as far as the macro factors go.
Yeah, and first of all, thank you for having me, Carl. It's been just a slight, adjustment on our end. I mean, we took down our guidance about 1%, less than 1%. Overall, the company has been growing phenomenally. 40% growth in this market is pretty astounding. And we coupled that also with very significant improvement on the bottom line. Free cash flow positive, I mean, to 18%, of points of margin. That's incredibly impressive. It's a rule of 58 company. So all in all, we're very pleased with our performance, especially in this macro environment. But there's no question that buying habits are changing, how customers are evaluating software, that's changing. AI is transforming what the outcomes should look like for customers. So all of that, we're just trying to factor in. We're improving our go-to-market, we're readjusting, and we're just getting better.
Right. You guys and the street trying to understand, I guess, the mentality of a CTO or a CFO trying to make some hedges here, take into account their own headcount growth rate and so forth. What do you think they are looking for in the way of answers to those questions? Is it about more firm use cases, or is it about price or something else?
I think it's mostly about outcomes. I think that, we're shifting away from this very, promise-driven, marketing-laden type of software selling. And people are just trying to parse through the noise. They're trying to understand, okay, what does this technology can actually create for me? Am I getting more secure? Is the outcome of my environment going to be better by using this piece of software? Obviously, in cybersecurity, I mean, you're seeing vendors with billions and billions, multi-billion-dollar valuations, but we still hear about all these breaches. And this is outside of just endpoint security. It's across network security. Everybody's selling cybersecurity, yet the outcome doesn't really change. So I think for us, I mean, just focusing on securing our customers has been a really great North Star, and that's something that just guides us through the year. And it leads to great performance. I mean, in the past couple of years, if you zoom out from quarterly performance, SentinelOne had outperformed almost every single software company on the public market, both in terms of growth and margin improvement. So, we feel like we're doing what's right, for the customer is just a really good compass for us.
What about AI? How does that change the customer's focus, and how do your solutions stack up versus some of your primary competitors like a CrowdStrike or Microsoft?
Yeah, I mean, SentinelOne has been an innovator in AI for the past 10 years. We were the first company to put AI to work in cybersecurity in a highly actionable way. We have the most autonomous system out there. It does what it does with no human intervention. That's very different than what both, our peers are doing. And when you think about what's happening right now, it's very clear that AI is going to consolidate away point capabilities. Instead of deploying more and more controls into your environment, I think it's really clear that you can replace all of those with just better and more fine-tuned algorithms that can give you very, very similar, if not even better outcomes. We just announced that we're opening another AI innovation center. We're investing, more and more in our AI development. We've launched our Purple AI capability, which really stitches together all of your different separate capabilities that you have today in your network and really deliver compounded value, driving cybersecurity across your entire enterprise. And all of that, once again, in a highly autonomous way that brings you scale. It brings you, what you're missing in terms of talent shortage. And I think that AI is really one of the best answers to how you deal with these breaches at scale. And SentinelOne is a pioneer in AI.